Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo A17, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this device. To begin with, we need to clarify a few nuances. First, you need to understand that in order to record calls, you need to have access to the root of the file system. By default, only the default application, the phone app, has access to the hidden directory. But if you open your phone app, click on three dots, click settings, and if you have access to record call features, so you will see call recording feature here. But the laws of some countries prohibits recording calls in these countries. In my country too, as you can see, and I have now this feature in my phone app. So if you have now this feature too, you can use third-party applications. I recommend to use Cube ACR app. So just find it. Cube ACR automatic call recorder. Why Cube ACR? Because it's automatic and you can use it for free. Click open. Next, grant permission. Wait a while. Go back. Try again. Grant permissions. While using allow. Enable app connector. Find here Cube ACR. Click Cube ACR connector. Allow. Okay, go it. Allow. Yes. While using the app. Click on the cross on the left top corner, and great. Now, when someone will call you, your calls will be automatically recorded by Cube ACR. But you have to understand that it will only record the sound from your microphone if you don't have root access. So therefore, if you want your voice and the voice of your interlocutor to be recorded, you must either install root access on your phone, or you can record conversation using an external speaker. In this way, the microphone will pick up both your voice and the voice of your interlocutor. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.